What is up, people? It's your boy Gamma, and in this review we will test how to get Robux for your Roblox absolutely free, safe, and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices, or even with your PC. So for start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily, guys, and click on Robux. So it will open our Robux tool, and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID where we want to send our Robux. So guys, don't worry, because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. So I will just continue with my username, and it's our public info. So I will just click connect the server, and you should get this. So if it's your account, guys, just click connect, and boom, we are successfully connected. Now we'll select our Robux amount. Just click on this drop down and select your amount. I will go with 100k for start, guys. Let's test, is it actually working, and later we can get back on to get more. And I will just click continue. So guys, if you cannot do this, just comment down below your username or your user ID and amount of Robux, and I will send it to you. Just like this video and comment down below. Also subscribe. And there we go. Resources are ready. Our 100k Robux are ready. And now we'll have to click verify and complete now, because there are many bots and many malicious attempts. So guys, just click verify and complete now, and let's wait until it loads up. And there we go, imported. Look at this, guys, 100k Robux imported. I'm so excited to see this now. So guys, before this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete 2 simple tasks from the list, but don't worry, because all tasks are free and safe, and you can complete it under 2 minutes of your time. So guys, after you complete 2 tasks, you will get redirected to this imported page automatically. You will see your username, your amount of Robux selected. Just when you see this page, just close it, and let's open our Roblox. So guys, let's hope that it actually works. And okay, still nothing. So guys, I'll just open this to make sure that we actually getting our Robux. Still nothing. Oh my god. Oh my god, we're actually getting our Robux for free, guys. I cannot believe that we actually got our Robux for free. Oh my god, 100k Robux just as we selected, guys. I'm so excited because it actually worked after testing a lot of websites. Blockspan.com was the only working so far. So guys, if you want me to send it to you like this, on this way, if you cannot do this, just comment down below your user ID or your username and amount that you want to get. Like, comment your username and amount, and I will send it to you. Just make sure to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I will check everything. And guys, I'm going to play my Roblox right now, and I'm so excited because this tool actually works. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.